Welcome, in front of me is ZTE Nubia Neo, and now I can show you how to improve battery life on this device. First, you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features like mobile data if you're using Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi if you're using mobile data. Disable location services, disable hotspot, disable Nubia share, disable refresh rate, high refresh rate. You need to enable 60 Hz of refresh rate. Disable all features you don't need right now. Disable auto brightness and reduce the screen brightness. And cool, that's it. At last step, you can just enable battery low battery mode. You don't need it, but you can. You can enable power saving mode. In this way, you will improve your battery life for several hours, not for 10 hours like it shows, but for several hours you will really improve battery performance. And you can enable ultra power saver mode. In this mode, your device will live several days, but you can use only 6 apps in this mode. To exit this mode, you need to click exit and click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!